So today what we're going to do is we're going to add family and friends to our My Disney Experience account. This is real easy. You come over to the Disney World website, you sign in, and then you go over to My Disney Experience, the My Disney Experience tab, and then you just click on My Family and Friends. Once you do that, the list will come up. This is the list of our family and friends. Got the kids, got Mrs. Mom. So we're going to add a guest. We're going to add a guest. Now, when this comes up, you can add through three different ways. Find connected. These people are connected to the man-child. These are his in-laws. So we could add one of them, or we could import from a hotel reservation. Just enter the confirmation number and the name, locate the reservation, or you enter their name and age. Name, first name, last name, and their age. Click done, and that's it. You're all done. That simple. Very important though for making FastPass reservations, for making dining reservations. It really will help if you have all the names in your My Disney Experience account. That's it.
Thanks so much for watching Dad's video. For more simple, fun, magic Walt Disney World information, go to Dad's Guide to WDW.com. You can do that by clicking the I button that's popping up on the screen right now. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and get more Dad's YouTube videos with Daditude.